The following is a case study on a small rural town in Indiana. The town had individual septic systems with no sanitary sewer. Some locations actually discharged directly into a nearby river. During the mid-2000s, the town started looking into low-pressure sewer. After several years of study and design, the town decided to install grinder pumps. Keene Pump was awarded the job in 2013, and by the end of summer 2014, approximately 200 Keene Pump grinder pumps will be discharging to a newly activated sludge wastewater treatment plant. Keene Pump played a large part in solving a small town's potential health risk.
Hi, I'm Steve Etzel with Keene Pump. I'm here today at Commonwealth Engineers in Indianapolis, Indiana with Tracy Beamer. She's the lead engineer for the Newport, Indiana project.
I've been handling all the design and currently the construction of the low pressure system using all Keene pumps. There are approximately 212 pumps on this project. We are almost done with construction with the substantial completion should be May 29th of this year. We've been extremely happy with Keene and all the services you provided during the Newport job. And so I know that in the future we are definitely planning on speccing in future projects. We actually have a project for the town of Springport that bids next week where Keene is already named in, and a few other projects in process that I think are going to work out as well.
Hi, beside me I've got a typical residential grinder hookup for Newport, Indiana. Beside me there's a basin, a 24-inch diameter. Within the basin is a Keene KG2 2-horsepower grinder pump with all the appurtenances, rail system, piping. Right beside it they've mounted the control box, and that will house all of the controls. The piping discharges to the left of the basin towards the force main. Within the piping there is a check valve and a shutoff valve in the lateral. The inlet pipe for this particular basin runs to my left, coming from the house. I'm going to walk you through each step of the way here for a Keene Pump basin installation, the ballasting, the piping hookup, step by step. So join us to watch this process.
I'm Chase Boyer from Marshall, Illinois. Our company is B&T Drainage, also out of Marshall. We started our company about 30 years ago installing field tile, and here we are today installing over 200 basins of sewer in Newport, Indiana.
We see we've got some equipment in the back of us. If you could just give us just a quick rundown of this stage of the process for the basin installation.
Okay, so we just started excavating on putting the basin in the ground. Previously, we've bored in the sewer main and we've bored in the sewer lateral, so it's already in the ground. So now we're digging, up excavating where the basin's going, and then gonna put the lateral for the homeowner out and hook up our sewer lateral to the Keene basin.
Watermark, who's the Indiana representative of Keene. Keene is here, through the supplier.
That's because it was off the bottom of the pile, wherever.
As you can see, they're doing the final backfill and grading, and everything will be ready for the hookup, electrical hookup, the inlet, and they'll be ready to go with startup.
This house now has its own Keene grinder pump system flowing to a sanitary sewer system. The house is no longer a health hazard to the community. For any existing and similar situation, Keene Pump can be your problem solver.